Wow, so I have these 6 gorgeous girls with me. Hello, girls.
Hi.
Are you all excited for your first live chat on Instagram?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll quickly ask you all to just say hello.
Hi, I'm Roshni Dada and I'm your FBB Femina Miss India Arunachal Pradesh 2019.
Hi, here I'm Jayanti Ram representing my state Tripura.
Hello, my name is Lalunthari Rodhing. I'm from Mizoram.
Hello beautiful people, this is Jyotishmita Borwa, yours FBB Colors Femina Miss India Assam 2019.
Hi, I'm Sangama Tamong representing Sikkim in FPB Colors Femina Miss India.
Hello, I'm Urmila Sagosem representing Manipur.
Alright, girls. So, welcome first of all to this live chat. So many people are saying hello and hi. So, if you can quickly wave to them. Hi! They are so excited to see you. So, Urmila, if I ask you, how was your experience here in Kolkata? What would you tell us?
The experience here was amazing. First of all, looking at the hotel, and I was so amazed.
Yeah, the hotel is amazing actually. We are staying at the Westin Kolkata, and I think we love the, everything about this hotel,
Everything
right?
is great. The food and the hospitality, I just love it.
Also, Urmila, the moment when you were crowned, what was the feeling like? Of course, you were announced as a representative before itself, but the moment you were sashed and crowned, how did you feel?
I mean, it felt so amazing. I felt like a princess just wearing the sash and the crown.
All right. Let's come to you, Sang. Sang, so tell me, जब crown तुम्हारे सर पे रखा गया and when you were sashed, how was the feeling like?
It was a feeling which everyone cannot express in words. It is something which fell inside, and मैं इसके लिए ना when I was 8 years old तब से मैं ड्रीम कर रहा हूँ.
So wow, wow, तो 8 साल से तुम ड्रीम करी थी मिस इंडिया बनना.
हाँ, I really love, and जब मुझे वो मिस इंडिया सिक्किम संगम जब वो मुझे नाम बुला रहा था ना, I was like overwhelmed, and मेरे मुझे कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था, बस मुझे हार्ड वर्क मेरा मॉम मेरा डैड उतना दिख रहा था, एंड जब मुझे क्राउन किया I was like over.
That's so sweet, Sang. When you were answering this question, I could actually, feel emotions in your eyes, and I'm sure everyone could feel that. All right, coming to you, Jyotishmita, tell us your experience, about being in Kolkata. Was it your first time in Kolkata?
Yes, it's my first ever time to Kolkata. I've always planned to visit, but I feel really very great that it happened through Miss India as one of the state winners. So my experience is amazing. It's surreal. Like, I have imagined this whole my life to be in the platform of Miss India, to be crowned as a state winner. Furthermore, I want to be crowned more. But to be here is just amazing, and I can't literally put into words what I'm experiencing right now. There's a bunch of adjectives, but I cannot put the right word up to here. It's really a mixture of emotions, and I really feel so blessed, grateful and thankful to my parents, all the people around who have supported me throughout, immense support. There has been not just one person, there has been so many people who has pushed me to come up to here, to reach up to here, and I'm so grateful to each and everyone.
Alright, Shweta Basu says, Jyotishmita, all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Alright, everyone is asking me, where is Mizoram? So, here is Mizoram for you. Lalundari, I must say that, the fans from Mizoram are amazing. The way they shower all the love to all of you is amazing. So, first question for you, how do you handle so much of love coming your way?
It's a kind of we have that Tomaina and Mangaina for each other, and that is the best thing we have in Mizoram. So I would like to say thank you to the Mizo people, my fellow Mizo people. I would like to say in my language so that everyone can understand
Exactly,
it.
of course, yes.
Mizo mi puite in mi to omna le in mi to sakna zong zunga lom thu ka soya tin kalleje dura po fuinate in mi tong trai puina te in mi mangai na te kalam ma mo don chawa chumi awang chanin tuna hani in mi chan puina karon ngen moi ngoya tin hetlai hun kan mani a ha thak em ya kan chawa chuan shi sel na te milau dil pui ula ril ro shi sel na te milau dil pui ula e kong ka kaleje turatan fuina chitak tak min ron thon je turing karon som no bok chewa in mi mangai na le om puina azara tun hi theng thei ni nang wani te lo chuan engma kan ni lawa hani ti mai hi kan ni ya chuan in ka kaleze durin support na kadir ngoi ni long
You know, I could not understand what you said, but I could feel the emotions. You know, that's the beauty of our country, you know. We may speak different languages, but the emotions is the one thing that, you know, we all can understand. So well said. All right. Someone asked me, where is Tripura? Hello, how are you, Jayanti?
I'm quite fine.
You're fine? So tell us, Jayanti, what's happening with you? You know, are you loving the experience of being here?
It's an immense pleasure to be here. I'm really feeling very grateful, and I really want to thank to my mom and everyone, those who have been supporting me till my journey, and especially to Rinki Chakma, Rinki Di, and many other people who have been supporting till now. Thank you.
All right, last but not the least, how are you, Roshni?
Hi, I'm good.
So tell us, Roshni, what's happening with you? You know, you're coming from Arunachal Pradesh.
Yeah.
Is this your first time in Kolkata?
Yeah, it's my first time in Kolkata.
And did you like your stay here at the Westin, Kolkata?
Yeah, so we are staying in the Westin Kolkata, and you guys should visit here. It's a really nice hotel. And I'm planning to stay here for like 1 day.
Wow.
So if anyone new stay here or seeing us, or you know, you can suggest me some place where I can visit. You can please suggest me some names so I can visit there. Like.
All right, thank you. So we have a question from Unnati Puranik, and it's a question for all of you.
Yeah.
The question is, hi, may I know that what makes you smile? So Roshni, what is that one thing that brings a smile to your face?
Okay, so to be honest, I have my little sister who is like 2 years. Whenever I see her smile, she made me smile. So.
All right, Jayanti, what makes you smile?
When people are supportive and they are friendly to me, and like just I'm open-minded and be frank to each and everyone.
All right, Ninoy, what about you? What makes you smile, or what makes you happy?
For right now, I'm representing my state, Mizoram. It's an honor, and I feel happy for that.
All right, what about you, Jyotishmita?
That's my dad out there, because of whom I have learned to dream, and it is because of whom I have learned to smile. And whenever I remember him all the time, and that makes me smile. Like, yes, my dad has got my back, and yes, I should always keep smiling.
All right. What about you, Sang? What makes you smile? You are always smiling, though. I think you are always smiling. You have a smiling face, but still, कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो तुमको तुम्हारे फेस पे एक स्माइल ले आती है?
Actually, मेरा स्माइल करने का रीजन बस एक ही नहीं है. Everything मैं जब भी कुछ के लिए आगे जा रही हूँ और मुझे कुछ अच्छा मुझे आया मेरे माइंड में, तो मैं स्माइल करता हूँ. And I really love to smile because I feel I am smiling. If I am smiling and giving other pleasure, or if others sees me and they also feeling good, then why not? And I have this, $1 million smile, so I can
We agree to that. We absolutely agree to that. All right, what about you, Urmila? What makes you smile?
What makes me smile is when I see people helping some other people who are in need. That makes me smile, and of course my mother supporting me when I'm always down. That makes me smile.
All right. Now let me ask you. You all are inspiration to so many young girls right now. Well, who is your favorite beauty queen? So, any favorite Miss India or a beauty queen you would like to tell us?
My favorite beauty queen for now is Nehal Chudasama because of her transformation. She is so down to earth. I've seen her replying to comments and replying to everyone. So she's my motivation for now.
All right. Sang, who is your favorite Miss India? अभी तुम बहुत लोगों की favorite बन चुकी हो, but तुम्हारी favorite कौन है?
मेरा favorite Manushi Chiller है.
Manushi Chiller.
Yeah, I really love her. The way she answered, she have such a depth content, and I really like that. And also she's such a beautiful, smiley all the time and grounded. I really like her.
All right. Jyotishmita, what about you? Who's your favorite Miss India or a beauty queen that you love?
Yeah, my favorite one is Sushmita Sen. I really adore her. The grounded nature she has, the love and respect she shows to everyone around, the beauty within she has, and the way she spreads smiles to each and every one out there. I think that is really something I admire about her, and that's why I love her so much.
All right. What about you, Nunai?
Mine is Priyanka Chopra. The way she thinks, the way she talks, everything about her, I love her so much.
All right, and you, Jayanti?
Mine, I would like to say Manushi Chiller, as I find her very beautiful and very kindness and dance her as she gave, and and I could ever say that she is the true inspiration. Thank you.
All right. What about you, Roshni?
Okay, mine is Priyanka and Sushmita. I find them really confident. They are not the only one reasons. There are lots of reasons I love them. If I start telling one by one, then it will take like hours. So I just find them really pretty and confident. So that's the reason I'm gonna tell.
All right, last question. I know you all are very tired, so I know. See, you all smiled. You were tired. So last question is a quick message for everyone watching you right now, and a quick message for your loved ones who are supporting you. So Urmila, I'll start with you.
So, a quick message to everyone who's watching. My message to you is that just keep on supporting us at whatever we do, and people sometimes tend to make mistakes because we're not perfect. So I hope everyone can forgive me if I make any mistakes. So keep on supporting me. Thank you.
You are amazing, Urmila. Don't worry, you won't make mistakes. We all are there for you.
Thank you.
All right, what about you?
First of all, I want to thank everyone, my family first of all, and the Miss Sikkim team, Miss India team as well, and all the well-wishers and supporters. I really want to thank you people, and I will obviously expect the same love and same love in future also. And I want to say to everyone that if you dream, then go with the flow, because it will not come again and again. And opportunities are just for once. You should grab it and you should go further, because you will live the life, not others.
Well said, well said. We have a message from Romy Gogoi. He says, wishing all my Northeast queens great success. We got your back. You all are upright. Keep shining. That's a sweet message.
Thank you so much. So we love you.
All right, Jyotishmita, what is your message to everyone watching you live right now, and also to your supporters and loved ones?
I am so blessed. I feel so grateful that you guys have got my back, and it's just what pushed me every time to do even better. And my message to all of you is just like we are here following our dreams, you guys should also follow your dreams. Never give up. Life is not easy for any of us. So just follow your dreams and you're going to reach your goal. Thank you.
To all the dreamers out there, follow what she said. No, what's your message?
Okay, everyone lacks something in life. Even me, I'm not perfect. I made mistakes. I'm so sorry for that. If I did something wrong to you, and I just asking for your forgiveness now, and keep supporting me. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. What about you, Jayanti? What message you have for your people?
Hi Tripura, I'm Jayanti. I would like to say believe in yourself, believe in your hard work, and please guys keep supporting me, show your some love, and give me your all blessings to me. Thank you.
To all the people who are who are watching this, and to all my supporters, I love you all. I love you all so much. Thank you for all your supports. I really need them. I hope you will be supporting me till the end of my journey, and I really love you guys. And please tell me the places, okay? So can I move it? Again.
All right, thank you so much, girls. It was lovely chatting to all of you. Thank you so much for taking out time to do this, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you. Bye.